welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking all about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette that came out recently. This palette has been hyped up for a minute. I honestly was not going to get it. Like, I was like, no, I have 1,000 eyeshadows. I don't need that. You know, it's just another neutral palette, blah, blah, blah. But honestly, I am so hyped that I ended up getting it. Like, these colors are so pigmented, they're so beautiful, they're so easy to use, easy to create a look. Like, I just thoroughly love it. I ended up creating this eye look with this palette and I filmed it, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I created this look. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you a little bit more of my thoughts. So why don't we go ahead and jump right into the eye look. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and dive right into the Soft Glam palette, and we're going to do our eyes first. I am going to take some tape and kind of do, not like a wing, but like an angled shadow. And I'm going to do my eyes first so that when I put my foundation on, we can keep that straight line nice and clean. So I'm just going to take off some tape, and I'm just going to kind of stick it on the back of my hand a couple of times, so that way it's not too sticky. And then I'm literally just going to go from my bottom lash line and then up. Just like that. Alright. So now that we have our lids taped, no. So now that we have our tape on, I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer just to prime my eyes. I'm just going to use my Age Rewind. Alright, so I'm going to take the shade Tempera, and I'm going to use that to set my eyes. So for my transition shade, I'm going to take Orange Soda right here, this like light orange shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and start working that into my crease. And I'm using a Defined Crease Eco Tools brush. To kind of deepen up that crease even more, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade below it called Burnt Orange and also put that into the crease. Still using the same brush. I would say that this formula is definitely Modern Renaissance formula. I never tried the Subculture or the Prism palettes because I heard mixed reviews on the formula and the colors just didn't really appeal to me. But I do have the Modern Renaissance palette, and I would say that these formulas are very similar, if not identical, so far. Now I'm going to take a smaller, denser crease brush. This is by Earth Therapeutics. Doesn't say what the name of the brush is. I'm going to take the color Sienna, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. And I'm just going to keep focusing that on the outer corner right here. And it's okay, you can use the tape as like, you can kind of work over the tape. So kind of use that as your base for where your outer V will be. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. It does have a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. That's why I'm doing my eyes first this time. So literally taking that and putting that on the corner. Light hand. So you want to keep your fingers towards the end of the brush so you can lightly kind of do it. If you have it too close to here like a pencil, it's going to be harder. So you want to move your fingers back and then just lightly move the brush. And before I even start blending this one out, I'm placing the product and then I'm moving with the same amount of product. I'm not adding any more to this brush. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Just lightly putting it on the outer V. So now I'm going to put this brush away. I'm going to go back to my original brush And now I'm just gonna lightly blend. You can also take a brush with no product as well. And I kind of do windshield wiper motions like this, but like going in a triangle motion, or I'll do circles. I kind of go back and forth. Now I'm going to take a clean crease brush with nothing on it. This happens to be a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it, but it's from their Rose Gold collection, and I'm just going to buff everything into the crease so everything is seamless, no harsh lines between colors. I'm just kind of flicking it onto that tape. So just blending. Now I'm going to take a flat brush. This is by ColourPop, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up the color Sultry. It's this shiny mauvey pink shade, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that all over the lid. I'm going to do it without any Fix Plus first to kind of see how the pigmentation is. I don't know if you can see. It's not bad. Now I'm going to flip my brush over to the clean side, and I'm going to take the shiny color, lighter pink next to it called Rose Pink, and I'm going to put that on the center. And taking that same crease brush that had nothing on it, I'm just going to kind of blend. And then now I'm going to take another flat brush. This is again by Earth Therapeutics. And I'm going to take Tempura and Glistening, and I'm going to mix it together for my brow bone. That flat brush, and I'm going to use Fairy. It's like a light champagne gold color. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. I'm just going to go back in with my original crease color, the orange soda, and I'm just going to define that crease a little bit and kind of blend everything. Alright, I'm just going to remove my tape. And that's going to be the eye look so far. Now I'm just going to go in and finish my makeup, and then we're going to do the lower lash line and things like that. Alright, so I went ahead and did my face makeup, and now I'm just going to do my lower lash line. So I'm pretty much going to follow the same exact thing that I did on the lid. I'm going to have gold, and then that lighter pink, and then the darker pink. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. I think I'm just going to take this flat brush, and I'm going to place the colors, and then I'm going to take a small pencil brush to kind of smudge everything out. So again, I'm taking the same color, so I'm going to take Fairy, Rose Pink, and then Sultry in the same order. So I'm going to take some Fairy and put that right here. And then I'm going to take Rose Pink. And then Sultry. So I have a liner smudge brush from Eco Tools, and I'm just going to smudge that out. It's okay if they kind of blend into one another. That's kind of the idea. And then I'm just going to intensify that inner corner a little bit with the Fairy, with the same brush. Because I really want that gold to stand out. Alright, so that's all the eyeshadow. I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. So I put on some false lashes. I ended up doing some Kiss number 11 lashes. You can get them at Walmart. I'm still a newbie when it comes to lashes, so I haven't really like splurged on any like Huda Beauty or Lily lashes or anything like that. So I've just been sticking to my Walmart lashes, and I really like this look a lot. I think it's perfect for like a date night, or if you're going out with your girls, or you just want to be glam at home and watch Netflix. Whatever you want to do, I just think it's a beautiful look. I really love how I put the gold in the inner corner. It really gives it like something a little different, you know, a little oomph. So I am so hyped about this. Alright, so what do I think about this palette? I think that you need it in your life, okay? Honestly, I wasn't going to get it, like I said before, but after playing with it and trying it, it's just like the Modern Renaissance palette as far as formula goes. And it has such a neutral but pretty kind of scheme that I feel like anyone can use this palette. Anyone can just look at it and be like, okay, I can create a look with this. Like, it's not very intimidating, which I like. You can do something very natural with it, and you can do something really glam. And I think that overall, having something like this that you can go to for, like they said, like soft glam, like having a go-to for that instead of having to reach into different palettes, I think that's such an amazing idea. And I love Anastasia, and I love their quality and just everything. And they had fast shipping, and I really have no complaints with them whatsoever. And honestly, I'm just so excited, and I'm so happy that I decided to get this. So if you don't have it, go get it, okay? Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you plan on picking up the Soft Glam palette, or if you already have it, what your thoughts are. Also, don't forget to go over to my Instagram and enter my giveaway. It's only open for a couple more days. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you soon.